Students, today we'll start a new chapter, that is chapter 3, data handling. Okay, so first we'll do exercise 3.1. Question number 1, find the range of height of any 10 students of your class. So see, in the first question the datas are not given, so you can take any height of any friends of yours. So what I've done is that I've just let the height of the 10 students be, suppose the first student is 125 centimeter. This is just the assumptions, this is not given in the question, these are all the assumptions. So 125 centimeter, 127 centimeter, 132 centimeter, 132 centimeter, and these are some of the assumption of 10 students. Fine, so these are all the heights. Now what we have to find out, find the range. Now what is range? For that, the first thing that you have to do is that whatever you have let, it is not mandatory that you have to take all those numbers only. Fine, you can make out your own heights also. So according to this data, what is the highest value among this observation? If you see carefully, then you will find that 146 centimeter is the highest value out here. So the highest value among this observation is 146. Now what is the lowest value among the observation? So if you carefully observe, then you will find that 125 centimeter is the lowest value. Now as because we have to find the range, so what is the formula of range? Range is highest value minus lowest value. That's it. This is very easy. So highest value is what? 146. So see, I have written 146 minus what is the lowest value? 125. So if you find the difference is 21 centimeter. So the range is 21 centimeter. Okay, I hope it was easy. And let's move on to question number 2. Now this is question number 2. What they have said: organize the following marks in the class assessment in the tabular form. The first question they have asked, they have given some of the marks of a class. See, so many numbers they have given, right? 4, 6, 7, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, so many data are there. So the first thing they have asked to arrange or to organize this particular data into the tabular form. After that, the next question is which number is the highest. I hope that will be very easy for you people. Then which number is the lowest? This part is also very easy. What is the range of the data? Now you have understood how to find the range. Once you know the value of highest and the lowest value, you can easily find the value of range. And at last you have to find the arithmetic mean. So this part is also very easy, students. Okay, now let's begin with the first one, that is a tabular form. How to organize this particular data in a tabular form? For that, you have to make a box. You see, this is a box you have to make. In this particular box, you have to make 3 columns, 1, 2 and 3. In the first column at the top you have to write marks. The second column you have to write tally marks, and the last you have to write frequency. Now what is the simple thing that you have to do? You just see there's some list of numbers are there. Fine. So which is the lowest number? See, 1. So I've written 1. If you carefully observe that 2 is also there, 3 is also there. In this way, these are all the numbers present in this particular data. Okay, so we'll just write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are the marks given. Now the second column, what you have to do in the second column? In the second column, you have to just see how many number 1s are there. You just have to see. Okay, so see how many number 1 is there? Only 1. So I've marked only 1. Okay, and what is the frequency? 1 only. How many 2s are there? If you carefully see, then you will find only 2 2s are there. So I've given 2 mark and I've written out here in figures. That is, in frequency column you have to write in figures, that is 2. How many 3s are there? 1. So I've written only 1. How many 4s are there? If you carefully see, then you will find only 3 4s are there. So 1, 2 and 3. So I've written 3. How many 5s are there? There are 5. So how to write in the tally mark? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so this is how you will represent 5 in tally mark column. Okay, so how many 5s are there? 5. So in the frequency column you will write the figure, that is 5 only. How many 6 are there? 4. So only 4 marks, 4. How many 7s are there? 2. So I have written 2. How many 8s are there? Only 1. So in frequency column I have written only 1. How many 9s are there? Only 1. So in the frequency column I have written 1. Okay, and do add up all the numbers, so you will finally get as 20, because this is important to find the arithmetic mean also. Now what was the next question? Which number is the highest? So which number is the highest? 9. So I have written 9. Which number is the lowest? The second question was which number is the lowest? That is 1. Now what was the third question? What is the range? Now range is what? Highest number minus lowest number, that is 9 minus 1, that is 8. So we have answered all this question. We have arranged all the data in a tabular form. This is a tabular form. So which number is the highest? We have answered all the first 4 questions, isn't it? Now what about the last part, that is find the arithmetic mean. So you have to know what is an arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean is just nothing, it is just the average. So how to find the average? So arithmetic means what? Sum of all the observations. All the observation means what? The sum of all the observations. Okay, that is 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus, you have to just add up all the numbers. Okay, and this all numbers you have to just add up. Okay, so see 1 is 2 to 2 is what? 4. Okay, so you have to add up all those numbers. See, whatever the data are given, you have to add all the digits. Fine, and you have to divide it by how many numbers observations are there? That is 20. That is the reason I ask you to add this frequency column. Okay, so what is the formula? Again I am repeating, arithmetic mean means sum of all the observation by total number of observation. So sum of all the observation means you have to add up all the data is given in the question. That will give you 100. So if you add up all the numbers, the sum will come as 100. So how many numbers are there? There are 20 numbers. So divided by 20. So in this way you will get arithmetic mean as 50. It's as easy as that. Okay. So today's assignment is question number 1 and only 2. Please, I have observed that some of the students are doing more sums. Please do not do more sums. Do not submit more than 2 sums. So today's assignment, I am repeatedly saying that only question number 1 and question number 2. Okay. Thank you and take care.